Well, I'm printing out the vents for the second generation, Generation 2 Chevy G20 van, 1968. Here I want to show you, that was the original one in my van, pretty beat up. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the 3D printer. Those are trees that have to support the edges. And here is my first completed one. It's not perfect, but I threw a coat of paint on it today, and it looks a lot better, I say, than that one. And again, that's out of the printer. And there's the completed one. It's not perfect. There are no tabs on the sides, and it looks good though. But anyway, thank you.